I stopped buying matching buttons after discovering this tool, and the best part, I found a way to make them even stronger. Today, I'll show you how I use this Prym Button Maker from Temu step by step. This is a Prym Button Maker tool I ordered from Temu, and honestly, it has become one of my favorite sewing tools. It helps you create fabric covered buttons that perfectly match your outfit. And if you sew dresses, blouses or custom outfits, this can really upgrade your finishing. But wait until you see my favorite feature inside this kit. One thing I really love about this tool is that it comes with fabric templates for all button sizes. That means no gazing, no wasting fabric, and no cutting the wrong size. You simply choose the size you need, trace it, cut it, and start. Honestly, that small details makes the whole process much easier, especially for beginners. Now let me show you how the button comes together. First, I'm going to use my fabric templates to cut out my fabric. And then I'm going to place the fabric over the mold with the right side facing down. Then insert the button carefully on top. I'm going to push it down the Prym tool. This Prym tool helps me to fold my fabric neatly around the button. This is so satisfying because you can immediately see the clean shape forming. Next, place the back piece on top and press firmly until it locks. Most people stop here, but I like to do one extra step. To make my button stronger and more secure, I use my rivet machine with the button molds to reinforce them. This gives the button a tighter finish and makes it more durable, especially for clothes that will be worn often. I think this extra step is worth it. So I'm going to use the same size of mold with the same size of button. I'm going to put it inside the mold. Cover it. So if you're using size 4x4 mold, make sure your button size is 4x4. I'm going to use my rivet machine to secure it. And here is the final result. Look at this button. Clean finish, strong hold, and the fabric matches perfectly. This gives handmade clothes a polished, professional look. And the best part is you can make any color or fabric design you want. Now here is where it gets really interesting. I wanted to test this tool with different fabrics and different button sizes to see if the results would still look professional. So let's try another one. For this one, I used a different fabric texture and a smaller button size. The finish still came out clean and professional. And here's another example using a much more smaller button with a completely different fabric design. I love how each button gives a unique look depending on the fabric you choose. This is what makes custom fabric buttons so special. You can perfectly match them to any outfit or sewing projects. So, is it worth it? For me, yes. It saves time searching for matching buttons, helps customize garments, and makes your sewing projects look better. plus the templates included for all sizes are a huge bonus. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with another sewing lover, and tell me in the comments, would you try making your own buttons? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.